And what do you feel? You will satisfy to me?
I am very, very satisfied to you because you have a patient. You show me, you prove your job to me. That finally just I could tell you, yeah. You prove your job with me.
My first project is the 10 video SEO and channel customizing. So first project is over, and I hope you will happy to the my channel customizing system. I am finding the special 15 video, and I am almost 13 video thumbnail design and complete. Today I'll complete 2 video thumbnail design. So finally 15 video thumbnail
Mhm.
design is complete, and per video thumbnail cost $5, and 15 video thumbnail cost, I'll just calculate, 5 into 75, 5 into, 5 into 15 equal 15 video thumbnail design, $75. Okay,
70,
$75.
75, yeah. How
70.
much it come the total?
Okay, thumbnail design is okay. After 2 video SEO, 75 plus 20, $95, and your previous project, $150. Total project $245, and you will give me $100, and
Yes.
and next you'll give me the $145. So automatically, right now is the payment is complete, and next you will give me as your wish and channel violation and all guidelines discipline, and what do you feel? You will satisfy to me?
I am very, very satisfied to you because you have a patient. You show me, you prove your job to me. That finally just I could tell you, yeah. You prove your job with me because everything I know my channel, I do that myself, but you put this on the next level for good step.
Yeah.
Because right now the best thing just I want to work with tomorrow, just I can change the banner because right now my channel is very professional.
Right. Your channel
It's
right now is
very
the very professional,
professional
and
right now, yeah.
YouTube already know that your YouTube videos no copyright strike, no violation, and you will always, and you and me always maintain all copyright guidelines rules and YouTube community guidelines rules to going to the next level is good for our channel. Your channel is my channel because I am your channel work and maintenance.
I know, I see, because I'm very satisfied to you. So
Okay, you will long time connect me. I will 1 year your channel going to 10K subscriber to 50K subscriber. I will
but
sus- yeah, tell me.
yeah, but right now I have a question. I have I have just discovered like 7K. I need maybe to can come 20K. Is it possible? How much it cost for that?
20K subscriber, how much?
Yeah.
Okay,
Uh,
uh, subscribe your channel video dependent. You upload good video.